Distractors Analysis. Distractors analysis concerning with the validity of multiple choices items. How we can decide the validity of multiple choices item. Yes. Here we have this example. We have this item consists of stem, structures, correct answer. The stem, here we have the car blank prepared by the mechanic. Here we have the system. How we can decide the validity of the system? The validity of the system is decided by face validity. Face validity. And we have the correct answer. Correct answer or the correct option has been. How can I decide the validity of the correct option? The validity of correct option is decided by the difficulty and discrimination power. Now we have distractors, the incorrect options. Distractors, the incorrect options. How can I decide the validity of distractors? The validity of distractors is decided by distractors analysis. And now what do we mean by distractors analysis? Here we have these scores, final score, sorted or arranged from higher to smaller score, or from the larger to the smaller score. I have arranged or sorted the scores from the higher to the smaller or lower, or from the larger to the smaller. Now I have here item number 1. With item number 1 I have 3 options, A, B, C. A, here the correct answer. B, I have only one student selected this distractor or this incorrect option from the higher group, and from the lower group I have only one student selected this incorrect option. With C, again, from the higher group I have only one selected this incorrect option, and no one from the lower group selected the incorrect option or distractor. With item number 2, I have again A, B, C as options. A, from higher group, we have 2 students correct this distractor, and we have 3 students from the lower group or low group selected these distractors. With B, I have only one student from the high group selected this distractor, and 2 students from the low group selected this distractor. C is correct answer. Now I have item number 3. A, I have 2 students selected this distractor from the high group, and 2 students from the low group. B, correct answer. C, I have only one student selected this distractor from high group, and 3 students selected this distractor from the low group. According to these results, here we have item number 1, group high, low. Option A, B, C. A is correct one. B, 1 from the high and 1 from the low. Here I consider or judge this item or distractor as neutral. Here it's better to change this option, because this option did not discriminate between the higher and the lower group. It's better to change it, but we can keep it. With C, I have from the high group one student selected this incorrect option, and no one from the low group selected this incorrect option. This means that this distractor ineffective. This distractor ineffective because the high group selected and the low group didn't select it. Then this one considered as ineffective and should be changed. Should be changed. With item number 2, again I have high group, low group with high group 2 and low group 3. Yes, here effective because the low group selected the incorrect option more than the high group. With B, both of high and low 2 students selected this incorrect option. Again, neutral. We can keep it, but it is better to change it. Yes. Here we have correct one. C, correct one. Item number 3, again with high and low, 2, 2, neutral again. B, correct answer. C, 1 from the high group and the 3 from the low group. Then this option or this distractor is effective. We can conclude that if the students from the low group selected the distractors or incorrect option more than students from the high group, then we can consider this distractor as effective and we can keep it. Otherwise, we should change it.